Good evening, everyone. So today plan is like a live coding session. Okay, first I'm going to share a Replit link. So there you can start your live coding. I hope my screen visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah. So I'm sharing link in chat box. So there you can find three problems. So start one by one. So please start problem one. So if you complete problem one, then only open problem two. Okay. Yeah. One by one.
So, can we ask a few activity questions?
Activity questions. Yeah, sure.
So, question number one of activity one.
One second.
So just before that, I'm not able to see the week four problems at all. Do you have to share something or
Hello.
do? Uh,
Yeah.
so, oh yeah, now I can see. Thanks.
Huh. Okay. Which one I need to discuss in activity? Hello.
Question
Yes.
number one of activity one.
4.1 first question, right?
Yes, sir.
Ha ha. Okay. What was the doubt?
Uh, why is this not working? Like, is it because abstract variables are not a thing? Like, we cannot have
Yeah.
abstract.
See here. Here, calculator is what? An abstract class, right? So here we have four abstract methods. So now whatever the class extends this calculator. Okay. So the class should override all these methods, right? So now operation extends this calculator. Okay. So here it overridden what? Addition method, subtraction method, and a division method. Okay. So here it is calling obj dot division 5 comma 2. Okay. But you see in class calculator, so it has one more method, multiplication. So but it overridden what? Addition method and subtraction and division. Okay. Here multiplication is not overridden in operation class. So definitely you will get compile time error. Already we discussed, right, in previous class. So if you extend any abstract class, so first you should override whatever the abstract methods in that abstract class, right?
So,
Yeah. So
and so
here
question
you will
number
get
uh, so question number three is
3 4.1 only.
yes, sir.
Uh, See here why you are giving this method as abstract. because whatever the class, okay, extends this new year class, so that can, okay, override this resolution method, and it can write its own implementation. So that is the idea of giving a method as abstract. So if you declare it as final, okay, this is meaningless. Okay, this is meaningless because, so if you declare it as final, you cannot override it, right? So this is, okay, illegal combination. Illegal combination of abstract and final.
And so fourth question on this as well.
Okay. What is doubt here?
I don't remember, but like the answer, I was not getting the correct one.
Okay.
Like
See,
the answer should have been one, but
yeah, here answer 1.
okay,
Factorial of 1 is 1, right?
answer.
Yeah. What is, which part you are not able to understand in this program?
What is a plus plus here?
What is,
Like
hello?
here, store, yeah, like this store here, return the factorial of store. So we have written plus in inverted commas. So what does it mean?
No, no, it's just
Here store
concatenating the
means,
string. No, 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 Anand, I think the question is return the factorial of within double quotes plus the
uh,
variable store plus you started double quotes and you have is. Then again
yeah,
double quotes which is closing. So it's actually the store is not within the double quotes. It's a previous, what is preceding the store and what is following the store is what is enclosed in the double quotes.
Because
yeah.
what does plus?
Okay,
Sorry?
here store is nothing but this is whatever the parameter you are passing. Here you are, here you are passing what 1, right? So 1 is going to store in y. Okay, so y you are assigning to store. That's it. Okay, to this instance variable you are assigning this argument. Okay, now factorial of, okay, whatever you are passing 1 is, okay, you are finding the factorial and you are storing that factorial in num. So factorial of 1 is 1. Is it clear?
Yeah, like the store's value is one, right? I mean,
Yeah, store value is 1.
but I
So
don't.
whatever the value you are passing here.
So when we write plus here, then that means it's a variable, right?
Yeah, see here, actually, here you, whatever you are writing in, okay, double quotes, this is treated as a string. Okay, so outside, okay, out, if you write like
Confused,
this,
sorry.
that should be variable. Okay, so if you write, okay, if you write, for suppose instead of store, if you write anything which is not declared as a variable, definitely you will get an error like cannot find symbol. So here store is what? Variable. You are concatenating this variable with this string. Okay.
Yes, got it. I just got confused. Sorry. So,
Yeah.
uh, and question number 10. Sorry. Question number 3 in activity 2. Sorry.
4.2. Question number 3. Huh.
Why is it a compile error?
See here, interface A, it has get coordinates. Okay, this is abstract method, and interface B also has abstract method. Okay, so here interface, sorry, class C is implemented from both A and B. Okay, so now it should override both these abstract methods. So up to this everything is fine, but the function calling, see, in main method system.out.println of new b dot tell direction. Actually, what is b? What is b?
B is an interface.
uh, so you cannot instantiate, okay, interface directly, right? So if you write new c dot tell direction, it is meaningful because c is a class, you can instantiate like this. Okay, so new b means this is not correct way, no? So this is what you are trying to instantiate the interface. So that's why you will get an error.
And so, like in interface, we have created this class, but in the method we have not written the word abstract. We don't need to write that word, right?
Yeah, this thing I discussed in previous class, previous session. So if you don't put okay either public or abstract, automatically your compiler will add public abstract before this method signature. Already I discussed in previous class. So even okay, if you forget to put this public, automatically your compiler will add okay public abstract both. For suppose if you put abstract, if you forget public, automatically your compiler will add public before abstract.
Okay,
Okay.
so and
Yeah.
it's the eighth question.
Eighth question.
Yes, sir.
uh, yeah, see here. So in interface, okay, so variables are by default public static final. Okay, so here if you forget to mention public static final before okay variable in an interface, automatically your compiler will add public static final. So here if you try to okay declare a variable okay as final without initialization, so definitely you will get an error, right? So here int a, so you should not leave like this, you should initialize it.
Like if we do not want the variable to be final in interface, then we cannot do anything. Like,
No, see here in interface, okay, if you want to declare any variable, that should be final only. Okay, interface allows only public static final variables. Okay, you cannot declare instance variables, because you cannot create an instance of an interface, right? That's why that should be okay public static and final. So why it is static, you can access okay if it is static you can access directly using this class name, sorry, this name, okay, either interface name or class name directly without any instance. That's why that should be public static and final.
and so 10th question.
Question 10. Okay. Yeah, this is
It's
simple,
the
right?
same as
Yeah, int a is equal to 10, it is fine. Int b is equal to 10, 20, this is also fine. Okay, so here you can access the variable, this variable, but you cannot change it, because final variable value you cannot change further, right? So once you initialize this final variable, you cannot you are not able to change it, because this is final, right? So
yes,
if you
sir.
try to change final variable value, definitely you will get an error. You can access it, no problem. Okay, you can access this like you can access it like this directly, but you cannot okay change the value of final variable. Okay.
And yes, sir. And 12th question.
12th question. Hello.
Yes, sir. 12th question.
Okay. Yeah. What is your doubt?
I'm getting a different answer. Default method in interface. I don't
Uh,
know.
See here, if you declare okay abstract method in an interface, so your implemented class should override it if it is abstract method. So default method facilitate that. If you want to use default method implementation given by the interface, you can use it as it is, or otherwise okay you no need to override it actually. So if you want to use this implementation, you can use it. If you don't want to use this implementation, if you want to override it okay with your own implementation, you can override it or you can leave it. Okay, it does not force you to okay override it in implementation class. Okay, so now here interface behavior, okay, it has methods what walk, fly and swing. Okay, here two implemented classes, human and parrots. Actually, what is the behavior of human? What is behavior of human? So he can walk. Okay, he can swim. Okay, he can walk and he can swim. And what is behavior of parrot? Parrot only fly. Okay, it cannot walk and swim. Okay. Now, okay. So if you want to define any method, okay, in an interface, you have three choice. First one is you can declare a method in interface as abstract or static or default. Right? Now you tell me. Okay. Now you tell me. Here, this interface, okay, has walk, fly, swim. So if you declare walk, fly, and swim as abstract, okay, as abstract. Now, human and parrot both are implemented from behavior. Okay, implemented from behavior. Now, human, okay, should override walk and swim. Okay, he cannot override fly because human, okay, behavior is not fly. He is not able to fly. So he should override only walk and swim. Okay, and parrots. So here parrots also, okay, what implemented from behavior. So now parrot should override only fly method. It should not override walk and swim. Now you tell me if these three are declared as, okay, abstract in behavior. Okay, here human should override all these methods and a parrot should override all these methods. Is it correct? Is it
No,
necessary? Is it
no,
necessary?
no.
No, right? Now, if you declare all these methods as default, now you tell me, is it
Now
necessary
it's
to override all these methods?
now it's not because in default is optional.
Yeah, default, if you want to use whatever the, okay, implementation given by the default, you can use it.
Hmm.
If you want to define with if you want to, okay, use it with your own implementation, you can override it. Otherwise you can leave it, no problem. It does not force you to, okay, override in its implemented class. That is the idea. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
so question number 1 of activity 5. Uh,
Okay. 4.5, right?
yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. Huh, yeah, this one, you no need to worry about it. Okay, we'll discuss about this in week 10. Okay, so this is just given for practice purpose. This is related to multi-threading. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. As of now, you no need to think about it. Okay.
And so like I have a few questions in practice assignment.
Okay.
Question number 2.
Question number 2. Huh. Yeah.
It shows a compiled error like
Yeah. So this is also we discussed in last session. Okay, so yeah, now I will explain. Okay, you don't need to worry. Yeah, see here, interface flyable. Okay, so it has public void fly. So this is abstract method, already I told, no. So if you forget to put what abstract, okay, automatically it will add. This is abstract method and this is what default method and a movable. Okay, so it has abstract method move and it has, okay, it has same travel method. Okay, so here the implementation is different. Okay, but the method name is same in flyable and movable and these two are unrelated. Okay, these two are not related to each other. Okay, but here bird, okay, bird is implemented from both flyable and movable. Okay, flyable and movable. Okay, now, so if you implement Okay, if you implement two interfaces and both interfaces has same default method, okay, same default method, then this implemented class should override this travel method. Okay, this travel method. Okay, because here there is a ambiguity, right? So if this bird, okay, if you try if you create an instance of bird and if you call travel method, okay, which travel method called? So that is what, okay, ambiguity. That's why, okay, so if your class implemented from, okay, two interfaces and these two interfaces has same default method, then you should provide fresh implementation for this, okay, common method in the both interfaces. Okay,
Yes,
if
sir.
not you will get compile time error.
And so question number 3.
Uh, yeah, here idea is like one second. Uh, so here idea is like sorting these first name and the last name, okay, based on last name actually. So based on last name in lexicographical order. Now you tell me which one should print first actually.
The last name.
Lexicographic order. Here we should consider last name, not first name.
Hmm.
Hmm. See,
So the
one
first
second.
character.
Copy. Yeah, copy. One second. You tell me.
So if we have to sort it according to the last name, then the first character of that last name.
Yeah.
But
So
if we have
CB.
two B's,
Okay.
then
So yeah. I'll tell you. So CB, right? Next, next one. Which is the next one?
AS.
E EJ, right? Emma Johnson. Okay. Next, Ava Smith is there and Olivia Smith is there. Next, Emma what? Williams. Okay, here both are same, right? Whenever, okay, both are same, then we should compare these two. We should compare these two. First time we have to compare. Okay, so see here first. Second, already I pasted this code. Yeah, see here first. Okay, so this compare method is going to, okay, compare last names. Okay, see L name. Okay, L name. So it is going to compare the, okay, last names. So if both are equal, it is going to compare first names. Okay, it is going to compare the first names. Based on that, it will sort. Otherwise, it will compare last names and it will sort it according to the, okay, last name. Okay, here one second. So here what happened? C B. It will come first. Okay. Next, okay, Emma Johnson will come next. So after that, we have Ava Smith and Olivia Smith, right? Olivia Smith and Emma Williams will come last. So lexicographical order. Okay, here Smith, both are same. So in this case, we have to compare this Ava and Olivia. Okay, if you compare these two, it will come first.
What if both were ASAS?
Yes.
Like instead of O, it was also A but a different name. Like Ava and Olivia. I mean Ava or Andrew. So both start with A. So what would have happened then?
Okay, so instead of Olivia, if you have Andrew, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this case, So we have to compare this what Ava and Andrew. So here based on return value, so we have to say if you compare these two, if you get positive value means greater than 0, we have to swap it. Otherwise you no need to swap. Okay, so shall we check it? So actually it will give so ASCII value difference. Okay, so here main method, so Ava dot compare to Andrew, right?
Yes, sir.
Andrew.
Andrew Smith.
Okay. Now, yeah. So it given what? Okay, 8. So we have to swap. So Andrew will come first. Ava will come next. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So sorry to interrupt, Anand. I have a suggestion here. So Mehak, actually in the live sessions, there is in the portal itself, there is a live sessions link where we have given link to all these questions which were discussed in the earlier live sessions. Okay, could you just have a look at it so that we can go ahead with the live coding now? Because a lot of people have issues in the coding process. So I think we dedicatedly planned to have the Saturday session for live coding, and we did this tagging for questions and everything. We put it on the portal so as to so as to look at only those questions which people still have doubt after watching those videos. So I'm not sure if you are aware of this. I'm just sharing a link in this chat window. Kindly have a look at it. If you still have a doubt, please ask. Otherwise, we can go ahead with the live coding, Anand.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Yeah. All the questions have been tagged. You can just see that all the in the live coding and inside the live coding. If you still have a doubt, please ask. But otherwise, let us go ahead with the live coding. Yeah, Anand, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. How many of you started live coding? Only 6 members. What about remaining people? Is there any issue in starting in with coding? So Purnendu, Prajwalit, Ratish, Kaushik, Nikhil, Core. Okay. You opened it too. Who is this Core with the name Core?
Sir Manish, sir Manish.
Okay, Manish. Okay. So did you completed first one?
Yeah, yes, sir, yes.
Okay, okay. So I will check it. So those who are completed, so please tell me. I will verify your code. Okay.
Sir, one question I will ask here.
Okay. Yeah. Who
Tentative,
is this?
Manish, sir Manish.
Manish. Ah.
Sir,
Yeah,
tentatively,
Manish.
sir, tentatively, I am unable to understand what is this. What is the use of this abstract keyword? If you show the code that I have written here, without using the abstract code, we can write same code without using abstract keyword. But
Okay, in problem one, you are
yes,
asking in problem one. Ah.
yes.
Yeah. Tell.
So why do we have to write this abstract? What is the special here? Why we write abstract?
Okay. See here, if you don't write abstract here, okay, if you don't write abstract here, so if you provide some implementation, so your subclass, okay, we are not able to force your class to override this method. Okay, So if you declare it as abstract, definitely this Amazon class should extend this offers method. Otherwise, it will write its own offers method, like Amazon offers, like that. Okay, then while calling this offers method, you will get some problem. So you have to check, okay, which method which object it is, and based on that object we have to, okay, call that particular method. For suppose here if you are not declared this method as abstract, okay, so here Amazon no need to override this offers method, right? If you don't declare it as abstract, here Amazon no need to override this offers method. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. But we can
uh,
directly define offers function inside class shopping. So why we are
okay,
writing abstract there?
not getting, can you repeat once here?
I'm saying,
Okay,
suppose
uh,
we do not write abstract class as shopping.
okay,
We simply write a class shopping.
okay,
Inside that, we define a method offers.
okay,
That can also print whatever string we pass into offers method.
so how can you show these Great Indian Festival sale from 6 to 8 and these two implementations, right? So we
Yes.
have to get two different implementations, right?
Can we call offers method from Amazon class?
We can call.
So if we can call, then why to define it as abstract method and abstract class?
Yeah, see here idea is, here user is there, right? He need to get the offers. Okay, he need to get the offers. So in order to get these offers, he should depend on Flipkart class as well Amazon class. Okay, Flipkart class and Amazon class. Okay, so here if there is no parent class for these two, okay, Flipkart and Amazon class, so here you have to change every time. Okay, whenever you want to call offers method, okay, offers method from Amazon, you should declare one parameter, Amazon parameter here. And if you want to get offers from Flipkart, here you need to change what a Flipkart object. So that's why, okay, I'm grouping these two classes under a common heading called shopping. Okay, so here shopping is what super class for both Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, already we know that super class, okay, super class can hold any of its subclass object. Now here shopping is a, okay, super class for Amazon and Flipkart. Now for this get offers method, either you can Amazon class object or Flipkart object. Both can be possible to pass this. For both objects, you can pass to this shopping OBJ.
Okay,
Is
sir,
it clear?
got it.
Yeah.
Got it to some extent. I will try to visualize it myself.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So Anand, just sorry to interrupt, but how many are not able to access the Replit project? Sorry, this Teams, whatever link Anand has shared, how many are not able to access?
I'm able to access, but I'm not visible in searching. If I have any if I'm to get any suggestions, I'm not able to say that this is my idea. And
So you're joining with the online degree ID only, right? Are you joining with the online degree ID? Not sure if it's my problem, but I'm not able to hear you.
yes, ma'am, I am joining with the.
Okay, I'm not sure. I'll just check. So is it only Sanjay Kumar or anyone else has the same problem? Okay, I will check. If it is just your case, I'll just check in the background. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Sorry, I'm in mute. Yeah.
Yes,
Who
sir.
is
Can you
this?
please review my code? I have a little doubt.
Yeah.
The problem number one is. Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Purna, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Huh. 1 second. Yeah. See, here your class should have only one. Okay, public class. Okay. So please remove public before all these classes, and your main class should be public. Okay. Here also, and please try to compile this program now.
Sir, how to invoke in
Yeah, see here actually. So a dot get offers means here you need to pass what instance, right?
OBJ?
Object
Yes.
you have to pass. Okay. So here Amazon you are passing class name directly. This is not a object, right? So how to pass
Yes, sir.
object? Amazon object. Yeah. Change it.
So, can you check mine?
Yeah, yeah. After completion of this one.
Can you please help me out? I'm a little bit confused. That's why.
Okay, okay, okay. Sure, sure, sure. So here you need to pass object, right? So simply pass new Amazon. That's it. So same for Flipkart also. Please change
Okay.
it for Flipkart.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, now try to run it. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next. Yeah, who is in the queue? Next.
So, me, Mehak.
Hello.
Yes, sir. It's me.
Which one, Meher? Problem one or two? Yeah,
One.
yeah. Or second one. One. Okay. Oh, it's okay. See here, abstract class stopping. Okay, not class abstract. So in between and a class keyword, you should not add anything. Okay. So please change it as abstract class shopping. Okay. Yeah.
So, why is it
Go to
saying
main
error?
main. Go to main class. Go to main class. 1 second. Yeah, here change this abstract test is there. No, change it as main. Yeah. Make it as public also. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Great Indian festivals here. Okay.
So, does it automatically make it public? Like, I didn't add public word, but it was still working. So, does it
Yeah, here
automatically?
replit. Yeah, replit is allowing, but actually, as per yeah, here your main class should be public. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next, who is in the queue?
Sir, why only the main class is public? I'm not able to get that.
Okay, actually, your program. Okay, execution starts from main method, right?
Sir.
Yeah. So here that's why you should make your main class as public. Okay, this is starting execution block of every Java program, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So whatever the class has main method, Okay, that class you should make it as public.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. How many of you completed problem one? So can you please raise your hand?
So I've done, sir.
Only four members. So here near 18 people are there. Sorry, 15 are there. Only four people raise. Five people.
Sir, one thing here. So, if I want to use the variable defined in the abstract class, okay, in any one of the child class, so do I need to mention the overhead over there?
Hello? Yeah, yeah.
Am I audible,
Hello?
sir?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're asking from problem or you're asking any general doubt?
No, no. Actually, in this only I was trying. In
Okay.
this code
So
only.
problem number two.
No, no. I was working still on one only, sir. I did one only. I didn't go to problem number two.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
just finished one. So I was trying to work on some variables actually. Some. So as you said,
Okay.
like
Shall I open your code then?
yeah, and you can open some. It's not that good actually, sir. So I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. So we'll check.
Yeah, just scroll down, sir.
Uh, okay. Public string shopping cart Diwali offers. Okay.
So
Huh.
if I want to use this variable in my child classes, so do I need to
Yeah, you
mention
can
the overhead?
directly use it. You can directly use it because you. Okay. So declare it as public, right? So
Yes.
you can directly use it.
No need to mention override over this, sir. Override.
No need. No need.
We
No need.
can't. I know we can't override. This is a final thing, but I just want to try. Okay. So if
See,
yeah.
directly you can write system.out.println of shopping cart. Okay, and here also same. Okay, you can use this shopping cart variable in both Amazon and Flipkart also directly. Even you no need to call it by using object reference.
We
Okay,
can use
directly you can.
yeah, okay, okay, okay.
You can
Directly
use
also we can
directly.
use
Yeah, yeah.
directly. Okay, if I
Yes.
define again the same variable with some same variable again, I mean, so like public string shopping cart, simple. So will it allow if I
Okay,
define
this one
again?
you
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
this one you want to.
Define
Okay,
again.
so
Yeah,
redefine it, right? Yeah,
yeah.
you
I mean,
can.
yeah, correct, correct, correct,
Yeah,
correct.
you can. You can
Okay, let me try this
try
thing.
it. Try it. It will
Yes,
work.
yeah. And sir, the interface variables we can directly access right with the name of interface then dot variable right outside. I mean in the main class also in the main class.
Yeah, yes. So for
Okay.
suppose here you declared a interface A and you declared a variable int A is equal to something value you given, and in main method you can call it directly. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Nikhil, did you started
Yes, sir.
second one? Second one.
Yes, sir. I am
Yeah,
working on
yeah, yeah.
second one.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. Okay.
Sir, can a interface extends the interface?
Yes,
Is it possible, sir?
yes, yes. It's possible. One interface can extend. Okay, another interface. It is possible.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this is Kaushik. Can you take a look at my problem 2 code?
Yeah, sure.
It seems to work.
Yes, appraiser. Greater than or is equal to 5,000 and leads less than or is equal to 5,000 or 50,000. See here.
Oh, it's 50,000. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah,
Typo.
please change it.
Sure.
Less than- Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah. Can you execute? See, Shankar has more than 50,000 and the number of leaves are 6, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Then which part of the
5,000.
code is executed here?
5,000.
Greater than or yeah, this one. Less
It's
than or
adding
equal to 6.
5,000. Yeah.
So how much he will get? 5,000, right?
Correct.
Next. Kumar 48,000 and 4 leaves. He will get special increment, right? So
Correct. That's
55,000.
7,000.
Yeah. And Raj 53, more than 50,000. If we want to get increment, the number of leaves should be less than or is equal to 6. So
Correct.
definitely he won't get any increment.
Increment, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
fine,
All right.
fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
How many of you completed second one? Hello, hello.
Sir, still working, sir.
Ratish, yeah, Ratish. Okay, you completed, right?
Yes, sir, I completed.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. What about others? So, if you have any doubts in your code, you can ask. Okay.
Sir, in the employee constructor, they asked to initialize that their private variables. Okay, so shall we
You're talking about which one? Which
two
problem?
problem? Problem number two, sir. Problem number two, sir.
Okay, shall I open your code?
Yeah, open, sir. But it's just in
Yeah.
nothing like simple. Not sure if I'm
Now
making
tell me,
any problem.
what is your doubt?
Sir, here they asked to actually, I mean, initialize the variable. So should have, any value has any, we can we give any value here? See,
Initialize variable means I'm not getting. Which part of the code you are asking?
so line number 9, sir. Look at this. Can you see this thing?
Line constructor to initialize instance variables. Second. Yeah, define class employee that implements the interface and yeah, second. Yeah, yes. So in employee class, yeah, you have to instantiate, right? So
Yeah.
here you should, yeah, you should take what three parameters: string name, double salary, and
Okay, okay, okay,
winter
okay.
leaves.
Okay, you
Yeah,
mean we're
like that.
passing from outside actually. You mean we're passing from outside.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Okay, okay.
Whenever you create an
Yeah.
object of an employee, then you can pass, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. Correct, correct,
Yeah,
sir. We
yeah.
can do so.
In
Yeah.
constructor, you can pass.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will back in a minute.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm back. So if anybody have doubts, you can ask.
Sir, I have just a little doubt. Sir, where to start the writing the code, either from the main function or from the process that is shown in the question.
Which one you're asking?
So question number two, just for for a reference type of thing. Uh,
One second, one second.
yes,
Question number
two, sir.
two. So today problem two, right?
Uh,
One second. Your name?
Purnendu, sir.
Okay. I'm opening your code. Yeah.
Sir, I am
Tell me.
right. Sir, I am writing the code the way it's given from the.
Uh,
But sir, I was doubt. So where to start? It is the correct method, or I should start from the main method, the main class, sir.
huh. So main class you can write at last also. No, no problem. You can write
Like sir.
main class at last.
Okay, okay, sir. Like sir,
Yeah.
in the sir, the in the interface appreciable, the salary we have to update the salary, but till
Huh.
that point, I don't know what is how to update this. I have to get from the object or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
That
See here. Yeah. Go to employee class. Here you have set salary, right?
yes, sir. Get
Sorry,
sir.
set
Yes, sir.
salary method, right?
Yes, sir.
You can, yeah, set salary. Okay, you can update the salary using this set salary method. You cannot, okay, access this salary variable directly outside of this employee class. Why? Because this is declared it as a private, right? So all these are declared as a private. So if you want to access it, you should use get salary. If you want to update it, you should use set salary, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct? So now
Yes, sir.
you want to, okay, you want to update the salary. Okay, you want to update the salary. How can you update the salary now?
Sir, E dot set salary.
Uh, uh, E dot, write it
Okay.
at line number 3. Uh, Already you have this parameter, right? E dot set salary. Hmm. Uh, of for existing salary not equal to of set salary, that method, no. uh, Here for existing salary you have to add how much? 5,000, right? Okay, how to get existing salary? How to get existing salary? No. How to get existing salary? You are updating salary. Yeah, yes. Get salary for existing salary. Salary spelling wrong actually. Salary spelling. Salary. Ah. So open and closed places. That's it. Yes. Yeah. Semicolon, right? Ah. And same for the line number 8. Yeah, you can copy paste it, right? Simply. Ah. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Wait 1 second. Why class employee is giving error? Uh, Implements special appraisable. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, here you should override this special increment, right? No. Sorry. You no need because both are default, right? You no need to. Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, complete the program.
So can you look at my code?
Sure. Who is this?
Mehek.
Mehak, okay. See, Mehak, again. See, you are defining interface, right? Why in between
Sorry.
interface and class? Yeah, interface is different than class. Sorry. 1 second. Okay. Mehak, see here. Yeah, no, you no need to worry. Uh, Paste. Here, change
Default.
it as special appraisable. Okay. Yeah, see here, Mehak. So default void is increment, right? So this is not abstract. Okay, default void increment, this is not abstract method. You should not put semicolon before after this default. So for default method has some implementation actually. Okay, default method has some implementation, right?
Yes, sir.
Already what is the required implementation for this method? Okay, we given in the problem statement. Can you please check it here and here?
Increment.
So this one is clear, fine. This one is fine. Yeah. For this, okay, method we have some implementation. Okay, please read the problem statement and please change in interface appraisable as well special appraisable also.
Special appraisal meaning?
Special. Okay.
Okay,
So
okay.
increment and a special increment like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Who is there? So if anybody have that, you can ask. Mehak. So this is not a good practice actually. So here every time update salary, access salary, not access salary, update salary. So as per our industry standard, we should use set and get. Okay, set salary, get salary like that. So mutator method should has a set before instance variable, and the accessor method should have get. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it's better to use terms like that as per industry standard. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. No need of this underscore also. Set and salary is in salary. Yes, should be in uppercase. Set salary. Yeah. Here get salary. Same for the get salary.
Sir, how to return the name, salary, and the sir num leaves as a single entity? Because in my knowledge, it does not
Yeah, you
support
can
number.
concatenate, right? You can concatenate it using yeah, concatenation operator, right?
Okay, plus operator, right, sir?
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yes. 20 errors.
So why is it from errors, sir?
Yeah, yeah. We'll check. We'll check. Ah, see, Mehak, actually, this salary, okay, okay, salary, name and the number of leaves, these are private instance variables, right? So these private instance variables, you are not able to update and access outside. So that's why we defined this setter and getter methods, right? So here you're accessing, okay, this salary here directly. So it won't allow actually. So you should use, if you want to update the salary, you should use set salary. If you want to get the salary, you should use get salary method. So here definitely will get an error because you are not able to access salary directly. Okay. Now you should update it. How can you update it?
By invoking the method,
Yeah, yeah,
set method.
yeah. Yeah, write it at line number. Yes, set salary of uh, for existing salary you have to add 5,000. How to get existing salary?
Get salary.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, write it. Yeah, within the set salary of only. E dot, right? E dot. Oh, wait. Whatever you written, that is correct. See here, for existing salary, you have to add 5,000 increment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, plus 5,000. E dot set salary of E dot get salary plus 5,000.
Like outside the brackets, it would be.
No, inside bracket only, right? For existing salary, you have to add. Okay. So, yeah. Please remove brace. Yeah, inside. Yes. And
Okay.
copy and paste the same at line number 10. Yeah. Wait. We'll check. Public tuition. See, yeah, see, set salary return type required, no? For setting, you no need of any return type. For get salary also, double is what? Return type, right? And
Yes,
for
sir.
two string, string.
It's a string, but
Yeah.
I'm not. But okay, it's okay.
Here also, you should make it as string. String st is equal to name plus salary plus like that. You should return it. Or you can directly replace this, okay, here, right? Why it is
But
required?
then
Why it is
because
required? Temporary variable. Why temporary variable is required? So directly
so
you can return, right? No?
okay. So
So
like
if you
in
want to use this further, you can use it. Okay, you can store it in a temporary variable, and you can use it. But here, no need of the temporary variable further. No, that's why you can directly return like this. Okay.
and so like when in the question says display this thing, then does it mean return or print?
No. This is just returning, not printing. Just we are returning.
So display
Okay.
means like return.
Display.
Like in the question was written like display this. So when this is written in the question, then does it mean print or does it mean we need to just return the statement?
1 second. I will check in the statement.
It was for the main method, like iterating, and then it says display employee object.
Where?
Uh,
Can you please tell me
20,
line number?
20th line, 20th line.
20th line. Yeah.
So
Iterate
it's in
over
the
list and display each employee object. So whenever you display employee object, automatically it will call toString method. Whenever you try to print any object, it will call toString method. So that's why instead of printing hash code of an object, we are printing instance variables of the class like this. Okay. Hello.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So and if salary is greater than or is equal to 50,000 and the number of leaves or less than or is equal to 6, okay. So then you have to call what?
5,000. So increment one.
No, yeah, you have to call appropriate method. Appropriate method to increment the salary, right?
Yes, sir.
Here, as per problem statement, here whenever salary is greater than or is equal to 50,000 and a number of leaves are less than or is equal to 6, he should get 5,000 increment, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 5,000 increment. Okay. So here, where you have increment method, so here, right?
This is special, and in the
Sorry,
above
special,
one, it
right?
is.
Special. Wait. I think this is SP increment, I guess.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you please check it?
Yes,
Can
yes.
you please change it as SP increment? Okay. And I also, I guess in uppercase. Yeah. So here, if you want to update your salary with 5,000, you should call increment method. If you want to update your salary with 7,000, you should call SP increment, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here, employee implemented from special appraisable. Okay, here special appraisable. Okay, so I guess this special appraisable is extended from appraisable. Can you please check it once?
Yes, it extends that.
Yeah, write it. Write it. So now this employee class has properties of both, okay, special appraisable and appraisable also. Okay. So now this employee class call which method here? Why you are returning here? You no need to return, right? So simply you can call increment method. Okay, in order to increment what? 5,000. So here you have to pass current object. This.
We cannot write
Okay.
employee.
Why? If you write if you create a new employee, so if you pass a new object, that is treated as a new object. We should pass current object. The method which is calling check and update salary. That object you know you need to pass here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And here, so if salary is less than 5,000 and number of leaves are less than or is equal to 6, then you have to call which increment here? SP increment. Okay. You no need to return. And here you have to pass this. Here, if salary is less than 50,000 and then number of leaves are greater than 6, and you should call normal increment 5,000. Okay, it is clear. And see here, this temporary variable you should, okay, initialize it here. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than e list. See, L is capital, right? So here you should change it. E list dot size.
So like, what is the difference
Y
between
size, Y size. This is array, right?
Okay, so
For
for
array
list size.
length. This is array, employee array. Okay. Yeah. Here, E list of I, right? So in this E list array, you have employee objects. So this is index of the array. So array is E list array. So here
E-list
you have
square
to,
bracket
yeah, E list of I, right? E list of I. Okay, E list of I dot check and update salary. Okay, why this one is required?
E-list it like we have to display the objects of the employee
No,
list.
here, not here, right? Oh, okay. That will you should do say here. Okay. So instead of calling this method, this is out. Sorry, this is not right. So, it's out. Okay. Okay. Off here, you have to display the objects one by one, like E list.
Bracket I.
Yeah, E list of I. That's it. Okay. Yeah, write it. Yeah, write it. Here, line number 58. E list of I. Yeah, what are you writing after that?
Nothing.
You don't need to write anything. Just display the object. Automatically, okay, it will call toString method. So whatever the, okay, thing, okay, written by the toString method, that will display name, salary, and number of leaves. Okay. Yeah, here also in SP increment, yeah, just pass this. Okay. Print updated employee list. Here it is showing an error. Why? See here, all are zeros. See,
Oh, sorry.
wait. Why print updated employee list is giving an error? Public static void. See, just pass E list. That's it. Sorry. See EARR, right? EARR, employee list. Okay. Once again. Here you should make it as what main. Okay. Change it as main. And here, please remove this one. Okay. So interface test you should make it as main. Ah. And wait. See here, uh, give it as 50,000. Shreya 55,000. Shreya salary 55,000 at line number 65. At line number 65, yeah, 50,000. 50,000. Yeah. Number of leaves for 4. Number of leaves 4. Next 55,000. Aman 55,000. Uh, Number of leaves 6. No. 10. Yeah. Next 40,000. 40,000 6. Yes. Execute.
It just gives like one more error. It in set salary. Uh,
Can you run it?
yeah, I did.
Oh, wait. E dot get salary. What happened? Oh. Can you go to employee class? See here in get salary, it is not required, right? You are getting, you are not setting. Okay? Yeah, that's right.
It worked.
Yes. So Shreya, what is salary of Shreya is 50,000. So here, uh, number of leaves are 4. So that's why, okay, the employee with greater than or is equal to 50,000 salary. So he will get appraisal 5,000 whenever he has, if and only if the leaves should be less than or is equal to 6. Then only he will get appraisal. And uh, Aman, okay, he has 55,000 salary and the number of leaves are what 10. So in this case, he don't get any appraisal. Okay, so because his salary is more than 50,000 and his leaves are okay greater than or is equal greater than 6. So in this case, he don't get. And Krunal, so his salary is 40,000 and his number of leaves are 6. So he will get special appraisal. Okay, because here if any employee has less than 50,000, okay, less than 50,000, we should not consider this leaves. Okay, we should not consider this leaves. Definitely he will get what 5,000 salary if his salary is less than 50,000. If his salary is less than 50,000 and he has leaves less than or is equal to 6, then he will get special appraisal. So 7,000. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. This is Kaushik.
Yeah, Kaushik. Problem 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Interface generatable. Okay, private double total bill. Private class domestic implements generatable. Double public double will generate. into units. Okay. This time put 100. So if units is greater than or is equal greater than 5 times it's double. Commercial. Yeah. Get bill. Okay. If and inputs. Yes. If type is equal to power bill. Okay. Okay. So here we will just get bill of T commercial. Then so it will get commercial object. So in commercial class we have to check. So here you given 50, right? So then it will multiply with 5.6.
Correct.
Yeah, 5.6. So 50 into 5.6. How much?
That's 280.
280, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you are correct. And you can change here.
Yeah, I tested all the 6 cases. Yeah, it
Yeah,
works.
yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, not 6 plus the
Yeah,
60 case.
it looks fine. It looks
So
fine.
just one question here is, see,
Uh,
we are defining a public method in a private class inside.
ha
In
ha
this
ha
list.
ha. Yes,
How
yes.
does that, see, I'm able to call that public method. I'm a little confused about how that behavior is. Like what happens if it's a public method within a private class?
One second. Which method you are
Like for
talking
example,
about?
bill generate.
Bill
Bill
generate,
generate.
right?
That's correct.
Ha. See here, if you define it as private, if you define it as private, what happened? Are you able to access this bill generate outside?
You shouldn't be, right? You shouldn't be able to.
Yeah, that's why we should make it as public, right? And if your class is private, we have a way. Okay, we have a way to create an object. We have a way to get an object of this private class using its what using this generatable interface, right? You can hold it right outside if you want to get if you want to hold this commercial object. Okay, so you can use this generatable outside, but if you declare it as private, so how can you access even you are able to create an object of a commercial? So are you getting my point?
Got it, sir. It's just a background noise. Just 1 second.
Okay.
Sir, does this code has test cases?
uh, Actually in replit we don't given any test cases, just this is for practice purpose. So and we will upload these programs with the test cases in portal. There you can okay code with the test cases. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Ratish, yeah, Ratish. Yeah, tell me, Ratish.
Sorry, this hand was raised long time back.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No
Forgot to
issues. No
Sorry.
issues. Yeah.
Can you check my problem too, whether it's okay or not?
Manaswita, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so what are the inputs? 51,000. Okay, so you given so input from yeah using scanner class. Yeah, Very good practice actually. 51, so you will get 5,000 increment. 50, yeah, 5,000, and in this case also you will get 5,000 because number of leaves are greater than 6. Yeah, I will check the code. Interface appraisable. E dot mutator. E dot mutator. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. So directly you are changing in mutator itself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Dot mutator. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Updating and display. Okay. Good. Yeah, here you no need to call this to string. Automatically it will call
Hello, sir.
actually. Yeah, one second, one second. Finish it. Yeah, it is fine. Your code looks clean. Manasvita.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Who is this? Who is in the
Sir
queue?
Purnendu, sir.
Yeah, Purnendu. Yeah, I will open your code.
Two
What
errors
is the
are
error?
showing.
Yeah, see, this is very easy actually. So else if right, how can you check? Okay, directly you cannot check like this. Else if you should write. Hello, am I audible? You should check.
Yes, sir.
Else if here else if. Okay.
Sir, we have to use else also, na? If we have used.
See here
I
if
have already
else
used
if
else if.
else if. Then why?
Sir, if we have
Again it
used.
is showing error, right?
Yes, sir.
Still you have not written main method. Why? Here check and update salary. Why you are updating here actually? You should call appropriate method to update. Already we have two methods to update the salary. This increment and a special increment, right? So you no need to update here actually. You no need to update here actually. Okay. Just call. Okay, just call increment. Who is this? Okay, okay. Yeah, just call increment. Okay. So increment of your past current object. And here also call SP increment here. SP increment of this.
Okay, sir.
Here
We'll-
also just normal increment. Yeah. Already you have done
Yes.
that code earlier, right? In interfaces only you are doing that. Okay. Yeah. Write main method and execute it. So main class, you have to write main class. Purnendu, are you
I
getting my
have
point?
already written main class, but why it's not showing?
Hello. Where is it? Where is it?
So the problem only.
One second. I'm refreshing it. No.
Sir, can I?
Oh, here you have written one more. I guess. Yeah. Yeah. So here you have written. So simply copy and paste it here. Copy Second. Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. One second. I'm changing it to main. Uh, so here int right. So you should initialize it and e list dot length. Oh, not O here. Here it is 0. And the length spelling is also wrong. Length list dot length. I is equal to or less than. I less than, right? I less than. I less than. Int here. Int I is equal. So here employee spelling is also wrong. Can you please check it at number, line number? Yeah, can you try to execute it? Purnendu? Yeah, two errors again. What happened here? Number 37 showing. Oh, here, here. Why it is? Yeah. Purnendu, are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
So, yeah, you are audible. Yeah, you got
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only silly
Purnendu.
mistakes are there.
You
Yes, sir.
you got
Thank
output.
you, sir.
Yeah, silly mistakes. Yeah. At beginner level, it is common. Okay, you don't need to worry.
Sir, in question 3 in bill generate, it says that the return type is double, but it is actually not returning anything. It just says that update the total bill.
Wait, Sanjay Kumar. Shall I open your code?
No, sir, I
Hello.
am not visible in the portal. Will you please check it on
Why?
the questions? I mean, I am not visible in the. mm,
Sanjay. I guess you participated in last live session, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what happened this time?
Yeah, I have also participated, but I am not visible in this. I mean, in the team.
Why? Why?
I don't know, sir. Sir, in bill generate,
Okay.
it says that double is its return type, but it is just updating the total bill according to these conditions.
One second. One second. Uh, problem three, right?
Yes, sir.
I guess return type is not a double. It's string, I guess. Can you tell me the exact line number in problem statement?
Line number 7.
Line number 7, right? Okay. Override method public double will generate. This is fine. Yeah, this is fine. It's this return type is double only.
But it is telling that just update the total bill. I mean, set the total bill equal to whatever the units into the value. Do we have to return the total bill in the end?
Yes, we have to return, right? See here, here you should, okay, multiply your units into 6 and you should update total bill with this one unit into total bill is equal to units into 1.6 and you have to return it total bill. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, how to speed up the code, because I am writing the codes very slowly, sir.
So if there is any reusable code, then you can copy paste it. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, in Replit, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Nikhil, go ahead. Nikhil.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, 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 Nikhil.
Will you look at my code, sir? Problem
Problem 2 or 3?
2, sir.
2. Okay, Nikhil G. Okay. Mm, 61. Yeah, you written this code how we written in Python. So this is
Oh,
not correct way to write this one. Okay. So Java version is different actually, and you should write it in public static void main. Okay.
okay.
This you should write in public static void main. Okay. Static void main. Right. Yeah, go ahead. So please complete this one. Okay,
Sir,
this.
how to write without
Okay, okay. So I
problem?
will help. So if you are not aware, I will help. Okay, don't worry. So, yeah, see, here first we have to iterate through the e list, right?
Yes, sir.
So here for so we should it has three elements. Okay, int I is equal to 0. We should start with zeroth element, and I is less than E-list dot length. E-list dot length means how many number of elements
Yes.
we have in the E-list. Okay, and we should increment one by one. Okay.
Okay.
Now E-list. Okay, E-list of I
I
dot.
dot
Okay, dot check and where it is
and
check and update salary.
second
Sorry,
update.
not check. I guess print, right? Print or 1 second. I will
Yes,
check. I will check. Check and update salary, right? This method we have to call.
first this method and then to print.
Yeah. Next, copy paste it as it is.
In the same for loop, can we
Yeah.
write the second line?
Yeah, yeah,
E,
we
e
can,
list.
we can. Yeah, system dot out dot println. Okay, println of e list of it. That's it. That's it. Yeah, here also you are calling this dot increment. Actually, this just the increment of this is required.
Okay,
And SP increment of you should pass employee object in the
okay,
increment and SP increment.
okay,
So
okay,
if
okay.
you pass this, yeah,
Yes, sir, got it.
here also this. And what happened here? See here and we should use and.
Okay.
Okay, so I guess you are very familiar with Python, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Yeah.
Actually, this is first time coding, sir.
Yeah. 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 I got it. Yeah. No issues. Java is also very easy. Okay, but we have some what we call some
Syntax.
extra
Yes,
rules. Extra rules.
yes.
That's it. Okay. Nothing different from Python.
Syntax is different.
Yeah. 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 So you no need to worry actually. So if you habituate, so this is also very easy. Okay, here why it is showing error? So I guess
So
you
there is
not
some
defined a
problem in
constructor.
constructor.
Yeah,
Define, sir.
defined string yes, yeah, string S capital actually.
Okay.
Here set salary, this dot salary, and semicolon is missing. Okay, here also string, it should be uppercase.
Yes.
Okay, in two string, this is also two string,
Yes.
and here print updated EMP list of error. Undefined type name. Okay, wait, I will check. Print updated EMP list. I guess some spelling mistake is there.
Okay, sir. I will
That's
correct
why I
it, sir.
simply copy pasted it.
Yes.
Yeah. So is there anything issue? Yeah. Check and update salary, right? Here you should update, right? Oh, no, no, no.
That's
So this is a abstract, right? So
yes, sir.
you should put semicolon.
Okay.
So abstract method does not have any implementation. Should not have any implementation. It is coming in next time. Like abstract void setting update salary. Uh, default interface special appraisal instance appraisable default void SP increment. Yeah, this is fine. It's fine. So, fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
50,000. Yeah. 50,000, five leaves. So less than 6. That's why he will get default increment 5,000, and 60,000, 7 leaves. So he don't get any increment. Okay, it is
Yes.
fine. And 50,000, 9. Okay. So do one thing. 4,000.
4
Okay,
and
5
5.
leaves.
Yes.
Now
7.
7,000 he should get.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah,
So,
fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
so can you check mine?
Mehak. Okay.
Third question.
Yeah. Class expected. Okay. Here, can you please check this one? Actually, bill generate method not asking this one. Actually, invalid bill type. So just we should return here else. Here also else if, and here you should return total bill. Did you define total bill? Yeah.
So,
Okay. Public domestic uh,
it returns a
generator.
domestic option
Yeah. Wait. Once. Wait. Get. What is pub? Why this domestic is required here?
because it
Just
returns a.
generatable is, yeah,
But we haven't.
generatable is enough.
But don't you
Yeah,
forget it don't.
we are returning. Yeah, we are returning. But if you write domestic not visible outside, right? Domestic not visible outside. Okay, if you return domestic object, it is not visible outside. Did you get my point? But generatable is an interface which is implemented by the domestic. So this is visible outside. This is visible outside. It is capable of holding the inner class object. That's why we should use, okay, return type as generatable. Okay,
That's the
and
name of the class. Okay,
yeah.
generated.
Generatable is implemented, sorry, interface which is implemented by the domestic class as well, commercial class. Sorry. Yeah. Here also, why power will dot commercial? Just commercial
Because
is enough.
domestic and commercial are inner classes, so I thought.
Yeah, whatever you said that is correct. But if you want to access outside, you should use like that. But inside you no need, right? Actually, see here within the power bill method you are returning, right? Within the power bill method you are returning. So that's why you no need to use a dot. Okay. So outside not possible. Why? Because these two are defined as a private classes. Okay. Yeah. So return new commercial, return new domestic. Okay, fine. Here type is equal to home. Yeah, type is equal to home. So here you cannot create an instance of what? Instance of domestic and commercial outside. So if you want to get, okay, if you want to get object of, okay, domestic class, we have one public method that is get domestic bill, right?
Hmm.
So you can replace it with return get. Okay, get domestic bill, right? Second, copy. So here, this domestic bill is what? get domestic bill is method of power bill, right? So do one thing here. Power bill. Okay, P is equal to, okay, new power bill. Sorry, power bill of. Okay, what happened? Yeah, nothing. Okay, so return. So P dot get domestic bill dot bill generate, and y into units, just units is enough, right?
Yeah.
So this is string. So simply put like this.
Is it necessary to have P? Like we can have it without as well, right? Like without a reference variable.
This one,
P.
yeah, P. Without P, how can you call this get domestic bill? Actually, get domestic bill method is defined in the what power bill class. Okay, so in order to call that method, definitely we should require this power bill object. So P dot get domestic bill means it will return an instance of what new domestic. Okay, new domestic. What it means? So P dot get domestic bill means it will sorry, it will return instance of the what domestic object. Okay, domestic object, and you are calling bill generate method from domestic class. Okay, is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So simply copy this one and paste here.
And why we like returning empty string?
Yeah, I'll tell you. So P dot get domestic bill. So get commercial bill right here. Yeah. Copy and paste. Yeah, actually, bill generate what it returns. Bill generate what it returns.
String. Total
Bill
bill.
generate will return what
Total
float
bill.
value. Float
Yeah.
value, right? What is the return type of this get bill method?
String.
String, right? Okay, string, right? So that's why, okay, this double I'm converting it into string by using this double quotes. That's it. Empty string I'm concatenating with the double. Then this entire value become what string. That's why.
String.
Yeah. What happened here? Yeah. Okay. So wait once. Else if, and also else if. Else return invalid bill types. Okay, so else invalid bill type. Copy this and come to here. Write else bar. Okay, else bar return. Okay. See in main method, go to this one. Invoke get bill of what into comma type. Okay, print the final power bill. Okay, so billing test. So actually we should write this main method within, sorry, this total code billing test is there. So this billing test should be the main class. So cut it and paste in the main class.
No, sir. Billing test has got a static method, so you can invoke directly from the main class, right? If you want.
That is also possible, but it's better to put it in main public static void main. Get bill method. Yeah, get bill of. Okay. These much of units. If they write 120 units. Missing return statement. Where line number 20. Where it is line number 20. Oh, here. Then yeah, actually total bill is returning string, right? So we should write it in system.out.println actually. Okay. Second, system dot out dot println. Okay, of get bill. So it is returning something. It is not printing anything, right? So that's why we should. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 300. So 120 home, right? Home. Go to home. Home means domestic, right?
Yes.
So yeah. So how it is what 120 means greater than 100 and less than or is equal to 200. So 120 into 2.5. How much? Calculate and tell me. 300 only, right?
300. Yeah, 300.
Yeah. Yeah. So give different inputs and change this value to home or not, something else. For suppose here I'm changing home shop. Only we have to give only two, right? So I will give other than home office. For suppose I'm giving 1 second. For suppose I'm giving wrong. Okay, bill type office. See, invalid bill type. Okay. So here I'm giving shop. Okay, shop. Sorry, shop. Okay, here I'm giving -1. Okay, -1. So invalid inputs. Input for units. Unit should not be what? So in
Negative.
negative, like that. Okay, we have different test cases. And 67 shop. Now in this case, everything is fine. So definitely we will get answer. So 67 into commercial, right? 67 into 5.6. You can calculate. Okay, Mehak?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, can you just take a quick look at my thing? I'm having some problems with the scanner. Uh, regular functions
Yeah,
work.
sure, sure.
Kaushik.
Okay, problem number 3, yeah?
333, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I will open. I will. Kaushik, right?
Yeah. The function works with hard-coded input.
Invalid. 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah, right at the end, I'm having some trouble. I don't know.
Billing test. Okay, you given 120 sharp. Both are same. Both are valid, right? Uh,
If I just pass parameters, it runs correctly. But if I'm taking it through scanner, it's going some issue.
oh, is it? Okay, I will check once. I will give my inputs. Bill type. I did not given any value actually. Yeah.
Yeah, with next line, it's not taking in any value at all.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay. That's the problem. Yeah, I will check. Don't worry. Do one thing. So simply next print of here and see that next year. What happened? Even showing why so. Okay. I will give manual values, hard coded values. So, huh?
Yeah, it seems to work with
Yeah. I will check. I will check once again.
sure.
String type is equal to sc dot string int, right, into units is equal to sc dot next int dot. Okay. So here get bill will take how many parameters? Two parameters. Units and the type, right?
Correct.
Type. So here type we are reading first, right? Omega. I guess wait. Bill tested after get bill. Second. We'll do one thing in this case. System dot dot internet internet off. So here we'll print a type. Okay. So we are getting problem with the type only, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So home and 400. Yeah, we are getting home only.
Yeah, it's very peculiar.
We'll do one thing. We'll check length. Okay.
Yeah.
So type dot length. Yeah. Home. 400. Length is also 4. Oh, very special and different case. We are getting home only.
Correct. Yeah.
Even for hard coded only it is giving correct output. Why so? Yeah, 1 second. Shop 40. Invalid build type.
Is type a reserved word or something? I don't know, but even that can show.
No. If it is reserved word, definitely compiler won't allow you to redefine it.
Right.
Yeah. See. It equals. How your problem will get solved? Sorry, first string, right? Home 100. Yes. Why? Because see here, if you use equal to operator, so actually here string type is equal to you are giving something, right? No,
Right.
you are giving something. So it is treated as a new object actually. Okay, this is treated as a new object, and this was also treated as a new object. Okay, so double equal to operator compares memory locations actually. Memory, it will
Oh,
compare the memory locations. Okay, so that's why both are not equal. So if you use equal, it will compare what content in the okay objects. So type contains what home, and this is also an object actually. This home is also an object. It
correct. Right.
contains
Right.
what home. That's why.
Oh, so I should always use, if I want to compare content, I should use dot equals. That's the right way
Yes,
to do it,
yes.
right? In
It's
Java.
always better to use equals operator for strings.
Okay. Well, unlike Python, we can't just use double equal to.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. This is very conceptual actually. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very good practice actually. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So I guess all of you done, right?
No, sir, I am doing because I have stopped at few minutes because there is some network problem. Sir, can you please review my code? I have done the partially.
Sure, 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 Purnendu. I will. Yeah.
Sir, after this, can you just discuss little bit of GRPA too? I'm not saying the to provide the solution, but
Of which week?
week 4 only.
Week for we won't discuss. Okay, because deadline has not passed, right?
No, no, I'm not saying to basically provide the solution, but can you uh, s- discuss little bit about how to approach that particular question?
No, no. Actually, so for week three also, the somebody asked, but so we should not discuss graded assignment. Even question also we should not discuss. Okay.
But sir, even if I'm not able to get the question, how will I basically do it?
Question number
Oh, that was GRPA 2, I'm saying.
GRPA two. Okay. Actually, in discourse also we won't. So it's not possible actually.
Okay.
Okay, you can check it with Dhanya ma'am actually. So
How can I contact her, no, sir?
yeah, yeah, yeah. You can email ma'am personally.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, about it.
But sir, could you discuss a little bit of PPA too, the practice assignment too, that EVM voting that's causing me a little bit of issue. Practice assignment.
Ha. Okay. So first I will discuss this.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
Here you have to return total bill. Bill generate. Here also same issue. So you have to return total bill.
Sir, if the type is home, then I have to create the object of the domestic class, right? To get the
But so to get domestic class object, you should use this domestic bill. Get domestic bill. Okay. So get
yes.
domestic bill dot get. Sorry, this method bill generate. You have to call like that. Get domestic bill dot bill
Will
generate.
generate.
Get commercial bill dot what bill generate. Why? Because these are not visible outside. Okay, these are not visible
Visible.
outside. That's why we should okay call this get domestic bill in order to okay get an object of domestic class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So complete it actually. Okay, this one also. This is incomplete. So please complete it. So please change it
Okay, sir.
as name. Yeah. So try it. I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Kaushik, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
For
one
the
second, Kaushik. Yeah,
yeah.
I will open that PPA.
Okay.
My screen not visible, no?
No, sir.
Yeah,
No,
sure.
sir.
Thanks. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I hope my screen visible, right? Visible now, right?
It's getting visible. Yes, it's visible
Ah,
now. Yeah, it's
yeah, yeah.
visible.
Tell me, what is your doubt here?
No, I mean, the trouble I'm having is with the overall structure itself. Like, it looks like a callback implementation. Like,
Yes,
voter
yes.
calls EVM, EVM calls voter for certain
Yeah, yeah.
iterations. But the
Yes, yes.
structure, I'm not able to get in my mind
Uh,
the idea of how it can be implemented. The coding part of it is okay, but the structure of it, I'm not very clear. Like, for example, I need to keep track of the number of voters who are in the
instances.
queue, yeah,
Yes, yes.
instances, and then every time I'm creating a voter object, and then I'm assigning a corresponding EVM object. I have to keep track of their IDs. So it's, I mean, I don't know. In my mind, I'm getting a little messed up about how I can go about implementing. Even if you can give me some high level idea, it's good enough. I'll be able to. The structure for me, it's the structure that I'm struggling with more than the implementation itself.
See here. Actually, voter is what? Singleton class. What is singleton means?
There can be only one object at a time, right?
Yeah,
One
only one
object of that
object.
class. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So here, so to keep track of how many number of object we have, so we are using what total number of voters. Okay, this is the object which will increment automatically whenever you create an instance of voter. See, current voter count. So
Yeah,
if
this is the count of the current
yeah,
yeah, object. Okay.
okay, total. Sorry. This is a
Oh,
current voter count actually. Sorry.
right,
So
right.
current count, voter count will be incremented by one. So for every whenever you create an object, automatically this current voter count gets incremented. So why you have written in constructor? because constructor called automatically, right?
Right.
Constructor called automatically. So
Right.
that's why, yeah, what happened whenever you create an object, so current voter count will become 1. Okay, current voter count will become 1. Okay, so
Right.
here, yeah, so this is what normal reference variable, just like reference variable, right?
So
So
here the
private
voter
static,
object is also kept as a static variable, which is common.
yeah, static.
Okay. Okay.
Now
Okay.
public static voter get voter. So here this get voter, okay. So already I told voter class is singleton. Means for this class we should create only one instance, at most one instance. So here before create this get voter method responsibilities, actually this method we can also call as factory method. So factory method means, so which will create and return an instance. So here get voter method is a factory method which will create an object of voter and it will return it. Okay. So now get voter method, okay, internally will check whether this new voter, okay, means here already, okay, object of voter is present in the class or not. Okay, if it is null means there is no, okay, there is no other instance of voter class, then only it will create and return it.
Right.
If you have already, okay, new voter class, it is not equal to null, right?
Correct.
If you have already voter class object, so new voter not become null, then it will return null, means it won't create the object if object is already present in the class.
Okay. So we create an object and put it into that new voter
Yeah.
variable. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So by default it is null only, right? So here private static voter new voter means, okay, if you don't initialize this reference variable with any value, so by default value is what? What is
Null.
by default value? Null only.
Correct.
Right? So if you try to create for first time, new voter value is null only. Then it will create and okay, assign it to the new voter. Okay, and it will return it. So if you have already, if you try to call get voter for second time, what happened? This new voter not equal to null.
Yeah. So it will
Then
return a null.
it is not equal to null. Then it will return null because already, okay, new voter is there.
Right.
Okay. Yeah. See what first voter is doing here. Whenever you call first voter, okay, new voter is not is equal to null. Means, okay, here voter object is instantiated. So voter is ready. Then only we should create an instance of new voter. Sorry, we should create an instance of EVM. Right? So if and only if voter is ready, then only we should, okay, create an instance of EVM. Okay, here EVM is also what? EVM is also
A single instance object.
yeah,
right?
singleton.
Singleton.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it has a private constructor. That's why EVM dot get EVM we should call. Again, internally it will check. See, same implementation. See, get EVM. This is also check current EVM whether it is null or not. Okay, if it is null, then only it will, okay, instantiated with, okay, EVM object and it will return it. Okay. Next, it is going to call what? Start voting method.
Right.
Okay, start voting method. Okay, from which class?
From the voter class. Well,
No.
Well, no, from the EVM class, obviously.
Yes,
EVM
yes.
class.
So yeah, always you are confusing here, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So now it will come to what? EVM class. So this is start voting. Okay. Now system.out.println of voting under process. Okay. EVM number plus EVM count. So here EVM count. So voter count. Sorry, current voter is equal to U. What is the EVM count?
That's the basically the number token
Yeah.
that's allocated to that particular EVM.
Yeah, EVM count. What? Initially 0. Okay, initially 0. Whenever you try to create EVM object, so it count become what? 1, right?
EVM 1.
So
correct.
yeah. So now voting under process on EVM number, okay, EVM count becomes 1.
And the start voting releases that EVM after it is finished. So that's what it's doing.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So now we are okay making this current EVM as null because first voter okay should okay map with the first EVM object only.
Right.
Okay, one voter object should map with the okay only one EVM object. Okay, so now voter one is mapped with the EVM one.
Right.
After that, we are making this as null. Current EVM is equal to null. Next, we are calling current voter dot call new voter. Okay, call new voter. So from which class? Voter class. Okay. So where it is call new voter? Yeah, here. Here, new voter is equal to null. Why we are making new
So we are
voter as null
releasing that
here?
voter. So I mean, there is no.
Yes, we are releasing that
Right.
voter. So now voter one and EVM both are freezed,
Right.
right? Both are freezed. Now voting process completed for okay, voting process completed for current voter count.
Right.
So current voter count is 1. Okay. Next, if current voter count is total number of voters, for suppose we given total number of voters as 2. For suppose,
Right.
okay, what is the current voter count? Is 1.
1.
1 is less than 2, right?
Right.
So now again it is going to okay what EVM okay new mission of get EVM. So here
So
again
here
we are creating
he is getting
EVM
voter
object.
as well as EVM in one shot, basically that code.
Yeah, one shot. Okay, yeah. So if you try to create more than one object,
Throw an error.
definitely so it will okay it will tell like this. So this is exception handling. So you will know about this in week 7. Okay. So you no need to worry about it. Simply this code is used to check whether you are trying to create one more object or not. Okay. And it is calling again start voting. Same process. Okay. It will come to okay start voting where it is in okay here. So say voting under process. Okay. EVM count is what now 2. Right.
Right.
2. Yeah. We are freezing it. Sorry. We are making it
Clean up
as
that.
null.
Yeah. Correct.
And call new voter. Okay, so call new voter where it is here it is. Okay, so here we are making voter a new voter as null. Okay, system dot out dot println voting process completed for voter 2, right? Voter 2. Next, here it is going to check. Okay, current voter count is become 2, right? 2 less than 2 means okay we completed okay we total number of voters are 2 and the current voter count is also 2. So voting process is completed for all voters, right?
Right. So
That's
it
it.
will go back to the main.
Hello,
That's
sir.
it. From here it will come back to the main.
Yes, it will
Sir,
come back to
Okay. Okay.
hello. Yeah.
Perfect.
yes, sir, I have done, but I have, there is a little mistake that I am not able to find out. So can you please
Yeah,
review it?
no issues. Purnendu, right?
Yes, sir.
Four errors. Return pb dot get commercial bill dot class expected. Yeah, here just pass units. Why into units? Line number 48, where it is? Here should pass units. Int is required. One second. Here also get domestic bill dot. Get domestic bill. Where it is? Whether you defined it or not. I guess spelling mistake is there. Yeah. Type mismatch. Cannot convert from double to string. Oh, okay. Yeah. Actually, this will return double, right? Yes, this one also. Yes,
Okay,
you are
okay, okay,
done.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So things are going wrong because of only because of silly mistakes. That's why else everything is.
Yeah, as a beginner level, it is common, and it's better to make mistakes, but not intentionally. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Shall we close the session then?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was
Yeah.
really a
Okay.
nice session. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, bye.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. I love you. Yeah. Bye.